Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video, I will tell you how you can connect or pair a Samsung Bluetooth speaker or the earbuds with your device Samsung Z Flip 4. So in this device, if you want to connect any Bluetooth related accessories with your device, for example any earpods or speaker or anything, you can do it just by following the few steps as I will show you. So before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video, and you will learn how you can connect the Bluetooth related devices with your device. Let's watch it.